Beginners. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Right now, in this moment, you don't need to rush. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to be anywhere else. You just need to be here. Because meditation isn't about becoming someone new. It's about returning to who you are beneath the noise. What meditation really is. Most beginners think meditation means emptying your mind. No thoughts, no distractions, total silence. But that's not meditation. Meditation is not about stopping your thoughts. It's about not being controlled by them. Your mind is designed to think constantly. Thoughts will come and go like waves in the ocean. Meditation teaches you to sit on the shore and watch those waves instead of being pulled under them. Why meditation matters. In today's world, your attention is constantly being pulled in every direction. Phones, notifications, stress, expectations. Your mind rarely gets a break. Meditation gives you something rare, stillness. And from stillness comes clarity, calm, focus, and emotional balance. You don't need hours, you just need a few minutes a day. How to start meditation, step by step. Let's keep it simple. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or cross-legged on the floor. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. Now, softly close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and gently exhale through your mouth. Focus on your breath. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air entering your nose, the rise of your chest, and the fall of your stomach. Don't try to control your breathing, just observe it. Your breath is your anchor. It keeps you grounded in the present moment. What to do when your mind wanders. Your mind will wander. You'll think about your day, your plans, your worries. That's not failure. That's part of the process. When it happens, simply notice it. Say to yourself, thinking, and gently bring your focus back to your breath. No frustration, no judgment. Every time you return, you strengthen your focus. Start small. You don't need to meditate for 30 minutes. Start with just 5 minutes a day. That's it. As it becomes easier, you can increase your time. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Consistency matters more than duration. A few minutes daily will create more change than long sessions once in a while. A simple beginner meditation practice. Let's try it together. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and out. Now silently say, inhale calm, exhale tension. Again, inhale calm, exhale stress. Let your body soften. If thoughts appear, let them pass. Return to your breath. Stay here for a few moments. Just breathing, just being. Common challenges in how to handle them. Number 1, I can't stop thinking. You're not supposed to, just observe. Number 2, I feel restless. That's normal. Stay with it. It will pass. Number 3, I don't feel anything. Meditation is subtle. The benefits build over time. Number 4, I don't have time. If you have 5 minutes, you have time. What changes over time? With regular practice, you may notice you react less to stress, you feel more patient, your thoughts become clearer, you feel more present, you experience moments of calm, even in chaos. Meditation doesn't remove problems, it changes how you experience them. Make it a daily habit. The easiest way to stay consistent is to attach meditation to your routine. Try meditating after you wake up, before bed, or before starting work. Make it part of your day, like brushing your teeth. Closing message. Take one more deep breath. Inhale slowly and exhale fully. Meditation is not about perfection, it's about presence. Some days will feel calm, some days will feel messy. Both are part of the journey. What matters is that you show up, because every time you sit in stillness, you reconnect with something powerful, yourself. If this message helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tranquility Insights for more calming, life-changing content. And remember, you don't need to control your mind to find peace. You just need to learn how to sit with it.